Alright guys, these guys are being given a bath. These are the hens. And some of them are my old birds. I was hoping we get to fly this year, but not. Just the old birds, youngsters from last year. The hens. Got some cocks also, it's over here. Some more Stovk Birds, some of old birds. Again, old birds, youngsters from last year. We got Bandoon, pure Bandoon, Harman, Gabi, Becker, Hooven, Picasso, the brand. My breeders are all pretty much pure, straight line, no crosses. My breeders. There's one of the brand youngster. Dami. There's a lot of birds. These are the cock section. And these are the hens, the floors. Also, we have Mona Lisa, Phantom, Hooven from 410, Never Say Die, and also Seco. We have the Brent and Brandon also. My breeders also pretty much all pure. I will cut down on my breeders. I think I have about 30 hens and 30 cocks. I want to go down to 10-15 pairs. So most of these birds are gonna go. And they're all pretty much pure. And everything is, everybody have pedigrees. So if you're a newbie from United States, let me know. I can help you out. If you're a newbie, you can also you can message me on my Facebook, Ejsloft, Instagram, Ejsloft Bullies, and of course my YouTube channel. You know, let me know. Newbie. You only pay shipping. You get these birds with pedigree, good pedigrees. Well, that's a good thing about pigeon flying. Pigeon flyers, they all think, we all think we have the best bird. But that's the good thing. Also a bad thing. Because if you don't, and you think you have the best or a good one, you're gonna lose money. But most of these birds are my stock birds, are never been bred. I mean, all like I'm saying, it's a good thing that it's good that most of the breeders thinks we have the best. We think that, you know, our birds are good enough, but it's also a bad thing because if you stuck with it and you end up losing money. But most of my breeders are never been bred. Just bought them, and you know. If you're a newbie, let me know, message me, and I'll hook you up. All you have to do is just pay for the shipping, and you will get a bird with a very good pedigree, pure breds. The silvers are Beckert. That one's 410. My good friend from down south let me have the cock and let me borrow the hen. So that hen right there is not available. That's only a lender. But that's 410. We got Hooven, pure Picasso, pure Becker, pure Mona Lisa, pure Van Loon, pure Jansen, pure Debrand, pure Phantom. I have the Phantom brother and sister from where 319 and 320 2014. Again, never been bred for racing, so I have to get rid of that. If you're a newbie, again, let me know. And if you're just wanna some information, send me a message. If you're not a newbie, I will also hook you up. But again, I'm gonna cut down to 10 to 15 pairs only. Some of these are my old birds, so those are not going. I was hoping I can fly it this year, but I guess FBC Club canceled the old bird, which is, you know, good enough because we also have the young birds. Also, FBC is going to be there's a new kid in town. Welcome back, Ami De Leon. He's going to be running the show. Ami is a good friend. Fly with him, work with him. He's a very good guy. Pretty sure he's going to get everything straightened up. The FBC Club, with the help of our friends, especially Giorgio Crisosimo. So looking forward for next year. We're gonna have a good race, good maturity bands, and you know, wish him the best. Okay, doke. I'm gonna show you my young birds for 2020. Which is very young bird, so I don't think they're gonna be able to fly this year. Very few. I haven't cleaned the loft on this side, so they're very young. Very young. So I don't know if they can fly this year. They're very young. But anyways, if they don't fly this year, they're gonna be flying the old bird yearly. This is my loft. Just gave them a bath, like I said. Cleaning the feeding container. And of course, those are my bullies. If you want information about my bullies, let me know. These are Louis V-Line Hustler. They'll be ready for breeding in a couple months. You know, these are my youngsters. All right, guys. Good luck, and let me know if I can help. This is Eric Mauricio from Ejsloft. Take care, guys. God bless.